Aman Tokyo. Aman Tokyo, where Zen meets skyline, the ultimate urban sanctuary. Welcome to World Hotel Reviews, I'm Sandra. Have you subscribed and liked the channel yet? Your support keeps this channel running. Let's get started. Today, we're exploring Aman Tokyo, a serene retreat high above the bustling streets of Tokyo. Located in the Otemachi district, this luxury hotel offers a perfect blend of traditional Japanese aesthetics and modern design. Perched atop the Otemachi Tower, Aman Tokyo provides panoramic views of the Imperial Palace Gardens and Mount Fuji on clear days. Aman Tokyo is situated at 156 Otemachi, Chiyoda-ku, Tokyo. The hotel is directly connected to Otemachi Station, making it easily accessible via Tokyo's extensive subway system. Tokyo Station, a major transportation hub, is just a short walk away, providing convenient access to bullet trains and other rail lines. The hotel's prime location offers guests easy access to cultural landmarks, shopping districts, and business centers. Aman Tokyo features 84 spacious rooms and suites, each designed with minimalist elegance and traditional Japanese elements. Rooms range from 71 to 157 square meters, offering ample space and comfort. The Aman Suite, the hotel's largest, spans 157 square meters and includes separate living and dining areas, a kitchenette, and a large bathroom with a deep soaking furo tub. Room rates start at approximately $1,735 per night, reflecting the hotel's luxury status and exceptional amenities. Guests can enjoy a range of facilities, including a 30-meter indoor swimming pool with panoramic city views, a fully equipped fitness center, the Aman Spa offering traditional Japanese treatments and modern therapies, dining options such as Arva serving Italian cuisine, and the Lounge by Aman offering afternoon tea and light meals. Additional amenities include a library, cigar lounge, and boutique for a complete luxury experience. Guests have praised Aman Tokyo for its exceptional service, tranquil atmosphere, and stunning design. One reviewer noted the hotel's peaceful ambiance amidst the city's hustle and bustle, highlighting the spacious rooms and attentive staff. Another guest appreciated the seamless blend of traditional Japanese elements with modern luxury, creating a unique and memorable stay. For the best experience, consider visiting during spring from March to May or autumn from September to November, when the weather is pleasant and the scenery is beautiful. For breathtaking views, booking a garden view suite or the Aman Suite is recommended. Check the hotel's official website for exclusive packages and promotions. Thank you, I'm Sandra. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next hotel review. To book Aman Tokyo, simply copy and paste the hotel name into the search bar in the video description or comments section.